Hello, and welcome back to another model airplane review. This is the JC Wings 1/200 scale die-cast EasyJet Airlines Boeing 757-200. So stay tuned. The EasyJet Airlines Boeing 757-200 in the 1/200 scale die-cast by JC Wings. Registration, Oscar Hotel Alpha Foxtrot, India. Now, in the summer of 2010, EasyJet Airlines had leased 4 Boeing 757s, and they joined the fleet I think around June of 2010, and they were returned in September of 2010. So it wasn't too long that they had them on their fleet. And normally when airlines do lease planes, they don't paint them full livery, but in this case EasyJet Airlines had painted their full livery on the Boeing 757. And personally, when I think of EasyJet, I just think of the Airbus, but it's really nice to see this livery on a Boeing 757. I know they've had them on the Boeing 737s, but not a lot of people know about the Boeing 757 was on EasyJet Airlines for a temporary time on their fleet. So nice to see that. And now we have JC Wings doing the 1/200 scale die-cast. And interesting is that with JC Wings, this box is all orange. Now, not surprising to me to see this, but I am interested or curious about why some JC Wings models, their box is orange and some actually have the full picture or a whole design on the box. And if any of you know what's the deal with that, why some models come with the orange box and some are the full image, yeah, leave me a comment below. Let me know about that, because I am curious about that. What's the deal with that? Because on this one, it's just pretty much plain orange. There's really nothing, not too much to the box. It's just pretty much all around orange. And then, yeah, on the bottom there, just like a barcode and just a model, like the type of plane, EasyJet 757-200. So, yeah, if any of you know that information, yeah, I'm really curious to know about that. So yeah, just leave me a comment below on the bottom there. And yeah, with that being said, let's open up the box and have a closer look at the plane. Starting at the front nose of the plane on the left side. So there you have it, the JC Wings in the 1/200 scale diecast EasyJet Airlines Boeing 757-200. Overall, I think there's a really good 1/200 scale diecast model plane from JC Wings. I think they did a really good job on this EasyJet Airlines livery. It looks really good on this Boeing 757, and really good detail on this plane as well. It does have the removable landing gears with the rolling rubber tire. Now, the one thing I will point out with that, and I find this is a common thing because I do have other 1/200 scale Boeing 757, and the landing gears, they just seem very fragile, or they're bent. So sometimes like they break off easily, or because they are bent, when you are displaying the plane, it's not sitting properly. So I really hope that they do improve on that, because the Boeing 757 is a really nice looking plane. And, you know, I just really hope they improve on those landing gears so that at least when you're displaying it, it's, you know, you're not worried that they're going to break or that the plane is sitting improperly. So I really hope they do improve on that. But besides that, like, it's still a really nicely done plane. I think it looks really good, and definitely I do recommend it. Especially if you are an EasyJet Airlines fan and you are collecting that fleet, I think this makes a really good addition to it. Definitely you should add it. But yeah, just in general, just makes a good addition to your collection as well. So definitely recommend it. So overall, I really hope this review has helped you, and I hope you did enjoy it. And if you did, please don't forget to give it a like. And if you are new to the channel, you know, please don't forget to subscribe as well. But yeah, in the meantime, you know, I just want to say thank you for watching, and until next time, take care.